Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to edit a movie or create a movie. So let's start. Open a movie maker. Push right here to choose videos to combine, or you can combine the pictures. I will choose my sister's anime and one picture to introduce myself. We'll create it or something like that. Okay, we'll put right here, and you can write what you want. I will write created by Davidas. That will be fine. You can choose a color, you can choose writing style and size too, and these two, and them, but I won't use them because I don't need them. Okay, so you can cut, you can copy, you can paste, and you can add a music. You can add more if you missed to add it. So you can add a creators list. This using for music too, and you can rotate to left, rotate to right, remove and select all, share and save a movie. Okay, animate. Okay, you can choose an animation. I will choose this because it looks better to me. You can do the same with a video, but I won't. You can use colors or styles. I don't know, but it named effects, I think. Okay, I think I will choose this. I will make no sounds, and this is full screen video, and this is a little, so I will use a full. You can zoom out and go to normal. You can choose size of these. I will use small, not small. You can see what you created by full screen. Okay, let's start. You can edit, so you can turn up a sound or turn down a video sound. You can make a slower or normal or faster appearance. You can make slower, normal, faster disappearance, I think. You can make faster video. You can make faster video or make a slower video. If you miss something to add, you can push right here, and you can add like this. If you're creating anime or something, a movie, and it's with episodes, you can add it, and then you can add this and name it episode 2. Okay, so you can make when it's end and when it starts. Oh, what is it? Like this. I will make a little like this and then go to normal, but something is bad, so I won't do anything. Oh, you can cut some parts from it too, like this, and then cut. but I won't. Okay, so I think I told it out. From this you can make a new project, open project, save project, save project as, share movie, I think, save movie, upload from device. This is options, information about Movie Maker, and exit. Oh, I won't save it, so nope. And that will be everything. So bye.